Yesterday, I released a video, a really specific video talking about the 10 bands formula, which is a 5-day program that you can get for $27, in which I explain to you a business model in 5 days that you can run. It's not online arbitrage, it's not retail arbitrage. There are some twists. It's really, really specific, and it's a business model that you can run to $10,000 a month. Really, really easy. You can learn how to do it in 5 days, right? So the reason I'm making this video today is because I had one really interesting comment from Jacobin, which commented on the channel in the past, right? So very super cool guy asked a really, really legit question, right? Isn't this still basically OA, which is not? And I explained it, and I explained it actually in the video on the page. You can actually, on the page for the 10 bands formula, you can actually look at it. But Jacobin, who commented on the video in the past, said, this guy is interesting. Either he wants views or I don't know what. Setting course is his goals, but helping people for free is not his goal. So Jacobin is someone that actually commented on the channel in the past. It's really hard to find the comments if you look on the computer, but on the phone, I have my phone right there, and I can actually see, past comments from him, right? So, like, make videos from your sale, or can I actually get coaching from you if you're not showing your sales? All right, Jacobin, I'm going to comment on what you just said, but if you want, like, you can get coaching from me if you want to, all right? $82,000 a month, $82,000 this month so far, okay, in December. Let me actually show it to you. Right, here we go. You can see it. I'm going to refresh it in front of you. All right, refresh. Here we go. It's still super early, just $48 today so far. But yeah, I mean, are you going to get coaching from me? I just showed you my sale. No, you're not, because you're broke. The whole thing that I wanted to talk about is this. Because Jacobin states, helping people for free is not his goal. Yeah, no, it's not my goal. I'm trying to make money, of course. Is there a problem with that? No, you're actually trying to make money as well, trying to extract knowledge for free, which, is hypocritical. But to be honest, the reason why a lot of you guys fail is because you expect to get everything for free, okay? And I'm going to be 100% honest. I did not pay for a course to start selling on Amazon. I did not pay for anything. I started by myself and I learned by myself. However, I purchased a lot of courses in the past for other business model, all right, that I ran up before I actually started doing online arbitrage, and I actually started selling on Amazon, right? One of the big reasons why you fail is because you refuse to pay money to actually learn stuff faster. Can you learn by yourself? Yes, you can. You absolutely can. But why do you expect somebody else to help you for free? I did help people for free in the past. I did. I'm not going to help you for free. I'm not. I'm done. I have better shit to do. I have a business to run. All right. I literally have an Amazon business to run. I have a software business to run. And I have a coaching business to run. All right. So people are willing to pay me to teach them what is working. All right. Why would I help you for free? Why would I actually help you for free? Like, if you want to, come work in my business, okay? You're gonna come prep my orders, all that shit for free, and that way you learn at the same time. But why would I spend my time? My time is valuable, all right? I have other shit to do than helping you for free. And actually, I do have, how many videos do I have on my YouTube channel? I have more than 500 videos. I have more than 500 free tutorial on this business model, right? So, either you watch these videos and you can learn for free, or you pay for my coaching, or you pay for something that I have to sell you. But I'm not going to just build shit forever for free for you guys. And by the way, Jacob, I know you're broke. You could have been making money if you actually, if you actually look at it, I offer coaching, right, for $300, and you guys cannot see this. Let me move this here. All right, it was $300 for 1 hour. All right, so Jacob, when was it that you actually left this comment? It was, let me see. I think it was this summer. Yeah, it was 5 months ago. So 5 months ago, you could have actually get my coaching for $300, right? You can see you could have gotten one hour of coaching with me. So we could have seen, you could actually have run up your business to the point, at least to the point that I am right now. All right. So if you actually booked a call with me for $300, so not paying $300 cost you $80,000 in sales. All right, look at how dumb it is, because you could have known everything that I know so far that helped me reach this point, and we could have laid a plan for you to actually do it. Look, now you're going to lose even more money. Prices are going up. It was $300, okay, for 1 hour. It's going to $400. And I told you guys, you know, whenever I'm going to receive dumb comments, I'm going to raise the price on you guys. All right, that's it. That's how it is right now. Price right now for the one-on-one coaching calls for one call is $400. Yeah, so Jacob, you should have done that. All right, you should have done that. But you know what the good news is? The good news is for everybody, you can actually still watch all my free videos. All right, I have a ton of free tutorials to help you run this business. You can watch them if you want to. If you want my help one-on-one, you need to pay for that shit. All right, I'm not a charity. My time, I have other shit to do. I'm super busy. I have shit to do every day, right? I want to spend time with my family. I want to spend time with my friends, and I need to run my business. I don't even have enough time to spend money with to spend time with my family, and I don't even have enough time to spend time with my friends, right? So why would I spend time with you for free to teach you something? No, I'm not going to do that, right? So my time is valuable. You can pay, or you don't have to. You can literally learn by watching my free videos. All right. If you want to get on one call, $400. You can actually get a discount if you get like on a 3-month program with me. So huge discount. You can book a call. There's a link for my coaching program. If you want to apply for the coaching program, if you need more than one call, if you want my help, if you want me to hold you by the hand, okay, you can actually apply for my coaching program. You'll get on a call with a member of my team. All right. You go to fbascaling.com. All right, fbascaling.com. Let me show you. You're gonna go on this page. All right, you're gonna go on this page. You can apply. All right, you'll leave your number. A member of my team is actually going to call you, and we'll figure out if you're a fit. All right, and it's going to be way less than $400 per session. All right, it's going to be way less than that. All right, so hopefully you switch your way of thinking. If you think just like Jacob, I mean, it's fine. It's fine to look for free help. However, you cannot request people to help you for free with all the stuff that you want. All right? I literally have a ton of free videos on my channel. If you want the business model that I'm actually talking about, you go to, let me show you. You go to the 10bandsformula.com. All right? You watch this video. Is going to explain to you how to actually run this business model the right way. All right, it's $27 if you want to get that. Okay, it's the cheapest product that can actually teach you something that I have. Okay, aside of my free video. So yeah, it's really early. I need to go to church. All right. So Jacob, really interesting name, by the way. It's really interesting that whenever you actually talk about money, you start getting mad. So yeah, Jacob. And all the other guys. I'll see you later.